Hey everyone, welcome back to Pulse Q. Today we're going to do some ribeyes that I just picked up at my local Sobeys. They're nice, they're about 2 inches thick, almost, all 4 of them. 2 of them are, the other 2 are about 1.5 inches, maybe 1.75 inches, give or take. They're going to turn out nice. We're going to do them out on the pit boss. I'm going to go and get those seasoned up, then we'll get back out here again. I just fired up the pit boss, so we're going to let that come up to temp. So here we have 4 nice ribeyes that I just picked up at my local Sobeys. Gonna get these seasoned up, just salt and pepper. That's how I like seasoning my beef. Everybody probably knows that by now that watches this. So let me get these seasoned up with salt and pepper. We'll pick back up when we're out on the pit boss. Here we are, our pit boss is up to 10. I got it at 200 degrees right now. We're gonna do this a little bit slower tonight at 200, our 4 ribeyes. We're also gonna be doing a reverse sear on it. Using the pit boss, I've gone ahead and I've removed my foil because I want to open the sear zone after, just to sear these up. Let's get these on there. There we go. All 4 of them are on there. 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side, as you can see. We're going to leave it that way, let it go. I'll probably be flipping these at about 75, 80 degrees internal. It's right now -8 out here Celsius, which is 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels more like 12 degrees Fahrenheit or -11 Celsius. So we're going to get these going. We'll pick back up. Okay, we've been about 25 minutes now. I might have forgot to mention earlier, I'm using Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets for this cook. Not that it matters which pellets I'm using, but just throwing it out there in case anybody is wondering which pellets. Just check the internal on these. Yep, 75 on that guy. 85 over there. 2 over there. 77, 79, yeah, these ones are a little higher than I wanted, but that's okay. The white flex here is a little bit more on the dull side, rare side. Give these a flip, just like so. Those go till about 120, in around there, 120, 125. I'm gonna let it go. These 2 here, these ones here, I'm not sure. No big deal. It'll be cooked, everyone will eat it. I'll pick back up when I'm gonna show you guys the reverse sear now. Okay, we've been about another 20 minutes. Let's check this again. To the searing part now. Now, I have seared with this grill a couple times. I'm not really a huge fan of searing things with this grill, but whatever. This is a pain in the ass because you gotta open it up while it's super hot. And the easiest way I found to do it for myself, I guess you could use a screwdriver if you wanted to. Go. That zone is open. Now we're going to come over here and turn the temperature right up to high. We're going to get that nice and hot. My other complaint about this sear zone is it's kind of small. So you won't be able to do all 4 of these, even though they're not huge. You still won't be able to do all 4 of them at once. That's the other complaint that I have about the sear zone. 1, it's a pain in the ass to open. 2, it's not that big of an area, but it does work, so that in mind. If you guys are interested in getting one of these grills, it works, does the job. So let me get that hot. I'm gonna pick back up and I'm gonna sear off the steak. Okay, that should be hot enough. Roaring away on high. Sears on open. Let's sear up some steaks. Big. Just fit the two of them. Probably better if I just did one at a time, but that's okay. It's gonna work. No worries about that. I'm gonna let this go for probably about 30 seconds on this side. I'll flip it over, go for another 30 seconds to a minute on the other side, and I'm gonna sear off the other two steaks. So I'll show you the last two steaks getting seared. I'm gonna go in the house and cut them open in a bit. Okay, first two steaks have been seared. I just finished pulling those off. Now we're going to get these ones going on here. These ones I'm going to do one at a time. I'm not going to do the two of them at once. Okay, you see it. Get a lot of ash flying out. As you can see, the sear zone open. Be aware of that. I'm sure aware of your surroundings. There's not nothing flammable around that if I did. See if we can get a hash mark better. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. We're going to sear that. Does work. This is probably the fourth, maybe fifth time I've used it on this grill. This isn't my ideal grill for doing steak, but I wanted to make this video for everybody so they can see I do nice steaks. I did do a steak video once, my first cook on it, which wasn't the greatest of videos, but you gotta start somewhere. Finish these off. I'll pick back up when I'm in the house. All right, here we are. Our 4 steaks that have been seared, finished off. Let's get this one over here. Look at all the juice on the plate. Wow, nice. Get that one there. Let's slice that one in. I know there's a string somewhere on here holding it. See if I can get this string off first. There's the string. There it is. There we go. Pull that guy off. There we go. Let's get that slices right in half. For everyone to have a look and see. There we go. How does that look? It looks like a nice medium rare to me. Show you guys the other half. There we go. Get a slice into it. Just fall apart. There's a nice piece there. You guys can see. It's definitely good. I never complain about the steak that I get from Sobeys. That's for sure. Well, there you have it. That's how you guys can reverse sear a steak using your pit boss. Hope you guys like this one. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys all on the next one. Bye.